In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Ableton to TouchDesigner. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to establish a connection between Ableton and TouchDesigner. So I'm going to showcase the whole process. However, if you want to browse through this by yourself, you can visit this page. So look for docs.rivative.ca/tdableton. And when you arrive at this page, you will see the same instructions that I'm going to cover in this video, but they will be presented in text form, so you can follow here if you prefer. So what you have to do is first open two folders. You need to go inside of here and then choose Help, and then Browse Samples. Now you will have this TouchDesigner Samples folder, and you will find TD Ableton listed here. Inside of this folder, you will have a folder called TouchDesigner. So this folder will be dragged into another folder to establish this connection. So look for the TouchDesigner folder inside of TD Ableton, and then the next part is to go to this location. So on Program Data, Ableton, then your version, resources, and then MIDI resource scripts. Basically, you drag this folder into MIDI resource scripts. So just drag the folder accordingly, and once you have it inside, the next thing to do is to grab the TouchDesigner folder and drag it inside of Ableton. So make sure that you add the folder here, and once this is done, you will be able to go over to the settings, choose the MIDI category, and make sure that the control surface is TouchDesigner with the input and output set to none. With TouchDesigner set up as the control surface, you will be able to establish this connection. So go inside of TouchDesigner, find TD Ableton and the package, and then just drag it here. Once you drag it, it will appear, and if you drag the connection on Ableton to the master track, you will be able to see it connected here, and then the connection will be established automatically. If it doesn't work, make sure that you set up all the folders accordingly. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Ableton to TouchDesigner. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.